Hi everyone, it's Tuesday morning of our week 8 of the class, and I'm doing this video actually as I'm looking at the squirrel outside on the oak tree outside my house. But sorry, in addition to that, what I'm doing is I just created another discussion, a short discussion in week 8, and what I'm proposing is that instead of doing the two standard academic ones, you do this one instead, and I'll give you double credit for it. And what I would like you to do in this discussion is just to think 6 months forward or so, give or take, and share with the class something dealing with humanities that you're going to be doing or would like to do. And that could be anything. I don't care what it is. I mean, it could be reading a poem. It could be reading a novel, it could be reading a comic book, it could be going to see a certain film, it could be buying a film and looking at it again, looking at a painting, going to a museum. The list is infinite here. And just sort of, in terms of what we've done in the class, let us know sort of like the next step in your involvement with the humanities. And have fun doing this, and maybe support it with some images, maybe a YouTube link, or even make a short video and share it with everyone. I've been looking over the last couple of days at the introductory statements that we did in week 1, and making sure I responded to all of them, in the heat of the first week of the semester. Sometimes, you kind of overlook ones. And making sure I looked at all the images, because sometimes there were 6 and 7 and 8 images, and moving kind of fast in the first week. I skipped over them, but I've looked at every single one of them, and I've made some comments and things like that. And I really enjoyed that. And for some of you, for example, I miss seeing some of your family pictures in the first week of class, but looking at them now, once I know, since I know your writing and everything, it's just really, really interesting. And of course, me, sort of, pretty well because of the videos and putting up with my corrections and all of that. So anyway, I would really be appreciative, and I think that it would be a really good statement about the class. Let me think. Let me sort of just say in conclusion here, not to the class, because there's another lecture or two that I want to do in the next few days, but once again, if you're behind, don't panic, okay? Talk to me, okay? Let me help you there. And for those of you who are deployed, same thing. I'm not going to, for those of you who are deployed and owe me a paper or two, don't worry about it so much, just contact me so we can kind of negotiate what we're going to do, because, I'm fair to a fault on this, and I want you to finish the class. You will finish the class. And you just have my unequivocal support, and you all do, in terms of this. As you know, I'm not a micromanaging grader or a petty grader. I'm looking to, I look for the good things. I want to give you the best grades possible, okay, best reasonable grades possible. That's what I'm after here, and that's my philosophy of grading, especially in a class like this. Okay, that's it for now. I am home all day. I work, I teach a little bit tomorrow, and then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I'm basically in front of my computer the whole time. So thanks very much, everyone. I'll, stop this now.